Hello there. I am Silvia Hartman, the creator of modern energy and also the creator of modern energy art. And this morning I thought we might like to have a little energy exploration or energy healing or energy evolution on the topic of creativity. My oh my, creativity, what does that word mean? There are few concepts in human doings that are as bizarre, confused, reversed, messed up as creativity. For me, creativity is that original flame, the original flame that burns inside of human beings and that allows human beings to create something. This, I think, is really important to understand. Creativity is not dreaming. Creativity isn't thinking about making something. Creativity is actually creating something. And if you are at all interested in creating reality, then clearly creativity is the way to go. That is how we create reality, through our creativity. And creativity means making things. Like my little mirror person here. I made that. It was an idea. And then in order for it to be real creativity, it had to be made physical, represented in physical reality. And when I made this, I created reality. That's at the bottom end, as simple as it is. But we have, as we said, so many weird ideas and confusions, and especially when you bring creativity and art into the game, then we are now going really off the deep end with the crazy artists thrashing about in their insanity. And who wants anything to do with that? Nobody does. So I'm going to invite you today simply to do a little exploration, expansion of the positive that is creativity, that gift from the great creative order, that flame that burns inside of all of us, whether we know this or not, and whether we take creativity in the widest metaphorical sense. For example, creating new life. But let us not delay, let's get started here today. I invite you to assume the heart position with me. I'll just start with a simple setup. I want to clear my mind, my body, and my spirit of all blockages and reversals and confusions. So that the great creative energy of the universe itself can flow into me, through me, and out, and inspire me, bring me life, bring me wonderment, bring me surprises, bring me gifts, bring me miracles. Thank you. Now our healing hands of energy are charged up, having been in that powerful system that is our heart center. And we can take these now and know that these are now loving, healing hands of energy that will help us. Let's just start by placing them just over our face. And let them make small, loving touches and gestures. To stroke our poor, overheated heads, where the greatest energy disturbances in human beings always reside. Soften and flow. And please make your own movements. Find your own places with exquisite tenderness and gentleness. For energy is light, lighter than air, lighter than light. Creativity. And place your healing hands just here. Soften and soothe all disturbances. Encourage energy to start to flow. And that was lovely. Let's place our hands back in the heart position. What kind of energy do we need to let our creativity flow now freely? Oh. The answer that came to me was love. But whichever answer came to you is the right one for you. That's the power and the beauty of the positives. Just love. So now, when charged with that positive, let your hands of power healing, stroking away the disturbances, the weirdnesses of the ages, letting natural energy flow come back to you. Natural, straight, powerful energy flow. Just love. Clearing the doors of our perception with the positive of your choice. I'm starting to feel that beginning to flow downward now here. So expanding downward. There's more energy flow going through my poor head. And that's exactly what we need. In order to be able to think straight. In order to be able to live straight. And of course, in order to be able to create powerful and beautiful things. Let's charge our hands of power with another positive. What else do I need to light the flame of my creativity? Ah, hope was my word, my concept, my energy. Now take that energy that you have now in your hands of power and use that. Breathe deeply. Just let that process unfold as it will. Each and every one of us is unique and has a very different energy system. This is now feeling to me as though I'm getting like washing away. Now I will admit, washing away the sins came to my mind. There we are. Creativity. The flame of creativity. We have one more positive to charge our hands of power with, to help our flame of creativity, a river of creativity, to arise and to inspire us, to guide us right. For the higher the energy is, the righter we get. It's an amazing thing. Okay. What do you need today, right now, to help your flame of creativity, your river of creativity, flow freely as it was always designed to be, in your creative template by the great creative order? What do you need? Oh, that's beautiful. I got starlight. But whatever you need is just as wonderful, because it's right for you. Starlight energy. Oh, that's lovely. That lifts it up and out for me. Real gives that direction of flow. Starlight energy. Whew. I hope you're having a nice experience for yourself. Starlight energy. It's beautiful for me. Modern energy is so super personal, and I love that. There's no cookie cutter approach. The truth is your land, where your path leads you to your destiny. Please feel free, and I encourage to do this more than once. If you can sense that there's pathways awakening, that there's a different energy coming in, that needs to be encouraged. Like when a little plant first comes out of its seed, it needs encouragement. It needs water, it needs attention, so it can grow big and strong into a big, strong tree. A tree of lights. So yes, that's our creativity meditation. I think one of the most profound things in modern energy is the idea, look, it's only energy. All the words and the concepts and the philosophies and the debates and the arguments, they just evaporate when we're just focusing on that and saying this is only energy. And energy needs to flow, not just flow, but rush through us to uplift us, to inspire us, to enlighten us. And then new concepts and ideas come in that are wiser, that are greater, and that enrich us and those who deal with us. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you can think of other terms that you might like to expand, heal in that way. If you think you've got sort of strange ideas, or you sense that there are blockages that stand between you and your true purpose, your mission in life, your destiny, and use that method of charging up your hands of power, and particularly giving attention to the energy systems in your poor, overheated head, so that things may flow smoothly and the doors of our perceptions can open, And our voices can give expression to this as well. Creativity is a wonderful thing, probably the most wonderful thing. And there is no end to what happy, loving, strong, and powerful human beings can create that is good, that is true, that is beautiful and right. With all my starlight blessings to you today, and thank you for listening. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.